So before we unbox this machine, we look at some key features that this printer has to offer. It prints at a speed of 38 ppm and has an ADF capacity of 50 sheets. It's a single pass dual scan ADF. It has built-in duplex, that is back-to-back printing, copying, and an optional paper feeder. This is an option, it's not standard. Then you have PostScript drivers also, it works on PostScript, and built-in fax. It comes with secure printing, network scanning, network ready, scan to USB, Wi-Fi printing, you can print from your mobile also, and send option. Send is, you can scan to PC and you can scan to folder, scan to USB and all this. It comes with a 5-inch touchscreen. So now we'll open this box of image class MF449X of Canon. Okay. This strip that they again here reduces the load on this directly. So it's like an additional reinforcement that has been given. This will avoid any transit damage. Okay. Once you remove the thermocol, you can see that the machine is wrapped in this polythene. Yeah, we'll remove the machine outside. Now we have removed the machine from the box. Remove this polythene cover. Then you can see all this packing in orange color. This is put so that the machine, the parts don't move around, like the ADF or the trays don't move around while in transit. Remove all these one by one. So now we have removed all the stickers and kept the machine ready to be plugged in. This is the tray in which you put the paper. Move this by pressing this blue force. So you have to move this, press this and move the paper guide so that this indicator matches with the marking of A4. So the machine is bundled with an USB cable, a telephone cable for fax. Then you have a 15 amps power cable. This is a 15 amp stop. This is not a 5 amp stop, so just ensure that you have a 15 amp socket if you want to install this using this power cable. Then you have a CD containing the drivers and a small manual where it tells you how to get started. So this is what comes along with the machine. The toner cartridge will already be installed in the machine.